watching.
Please like and subscribe.
By the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we will be unboxing this outdoor patio table. It's square shape and the brand is Outsunny. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the table. It's about 32 inches high, and I think the measurement for it has equal measurements. The length and the width is 27 inches, and it's made of tempered glass and black metal. So let's try to open this. So it's made of frosted glass, as you can see. It's actually really nice. So I have removed the bubble wrap from the table, and that's how it looks like. Now it's time to unbox the parts. So this is the middle part, and there's the legs. So here is the entire product. So it comes with this 4 legs, and then there's this middle thing, this metal thing in the middle. This is the table and how it looks like, and the assembly time is 20 minutes. So maximum weight is 75 kilograms. I think it's pretty easy to put together even without the instructions. Instruction says you're supposed to put the top part of the table upside down and attach the legs with a letter G screw. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make sure that I'm putting it on top of the box so it doesn't scratch. Put the top piece upside down, and I'm gonna attach the legs now. So it says here you're supposed to attach the legs this way. There, it fits perfectly. And then you're gonna put the screws over here. That's what we're gonna do on all 4 legs. So the second leg. Let's see if I can zoom out. So you can see the 2 legs. And then there's 3. And the 4th leg. Open up this screws, and we're going to use this one, this tiny one. So now all the legs are in place. Now we're gonna screw over here. That's what I'm gonna do right now.
Yummy.
Hello. So make sure you align the holes and just put this screw in. And we're gonna I have tightened all 4 legs according to the instructions, but they're kind of still a little bit wobbly, so you're gonna proceed to the next instruction, which is to attach this middle square piece. So this letter C piece, we're gonna attach that, and let's see here, how do you put this in? Outsunny, I guess. So I'm gonna attach it like this. And be careful because it might fall on the glass and shatter the glass. So there you go. You put some screws in. Shaniwa, can you help me?
Okay.
Go. So the instruction says use the washer first, and then the screw, and then top it with this cover to make it look neat. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna screw it like that. Washer. I'm just going to loosely attach each piece. So screws, and see, as you can see, there's 2 holes here. Just attach 2 screws on each of the holes and attach it to the leg, like so. See, as you can see, I'm attaching it to the, there's 2 holes here that you can attach it to. So I have attached all the screws on each of the sides. Now I just have to tighten it with this provided wrench. So just tighten it like so. And I think that's the final. And attach this piece for the the ends, like so. So that looks nicer now with that. And I'll show you how it looks like on the porch, on the patio. Okay, so now I have tightened all the bolts. They're in place. We're just gonna have to cap them with this. Those caps, the black cap, so it will look nicer. And just snap right into it. So there's 2 in each of the legs. Attach some more. And 1. We're almost done. There you go. Here is the final look of the table. It's a little bit too tall for me. Probably 2 inches too tall, but I guess it looks nice on the outside. And it looks...
Whoa, look at the bottom.
So that's for the video for today. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye.